What are the odds? 2 in a row. This is a completely different vehicle from the other day. Here you can see how crazy that gets. Short term goes all the way up to 33%, long term's up to 25. See that downstream O2 is kind of responding by getting driven low with all that extra fuel, but that number 1 on bank 2 is just not doing a thing. It's not responding at all to all that fuel. So we have a faulty upstream O2 sensor on bank 2 there. You can see that one's switching, see where the numbers are here. Now it's hanging high, it went into open loop. But yeah, that is another stuck O2 sensor. This one's an 03, so it's a little bit older than that last one, but same. We run into these kind of regularly. It's been a while though, but 2 in 1 week. Huh. But anyway, you can see how that responds. Eventually it'll go into a closed loop fault here. Now it's open loop fault, so it definitely sets some codes. And I can go check that quick here. See if we can get it in our time frame. So then if we go to our trouble codes, it should have set some pending codes. Not yet. Oh well, that's why we look at the data, right? There probably is some failed tests in mode 6 here, but I don't know what we're gonna see. No mode 5, this is old. Mode 6. Wow. This is a 1 ton in an 03. The 1 ton probably had some, see if it even gives me that. Oh, sweet. It gives me that there. So even though we don't have much for mode 6, I do have a P0154, which is at no activity bank 2 sensor 1, and that's in mode 7. Mode 6, it says, no thank you, because I'm not sure what the dates are exactly, but an 03 1-ton van may not be required to have mode 6 data in 2003. But anyway, you got to see the fault again twice in 1 week. Very strange, but thanks for watching.